Good morning,
What to say?
Nyamiado Mbia Boko na Nhyira Bibi Kosunti Ntimiama, of course, Finance Minister.
They are coming to Kano.
Ntimiama. And Ene Yaba. Nhyira wa wenyeska na obinyeska. First of all, start with one hash. Schoolska short code now the bidiscan. They be out to send food. Nemo mudi a schoolska and it start with hash no mucha. Ucha. You have good options with this car. Who choose insurance from option now? Any number of tickets are open. Then you can go on and stand a chance of winning. So who trying to be very increase your chances? Our system names say Tregua. So ubi team here this car or and now so Omo Kofi can see already 18 odds. 18 odds. Okay, across all the Fiifi Manfred social media handles. I'm here sure so enjoy 18 good odds. I think that we are the only people predicted the Paris Saint-Germain win. And then your good odds for you. And obviously Kofi can see after the analysis, no time to Rich, have you seen Paris Saint-Germain like this before?
No. Not even time I know more Messi, Neymar.
And yet about the names. Maybe
I'm performance and I can't.
No, you are still not getting me. And Okra will have about own share. Me person will be a OTA on radio, be a member of Facebook. Look at the faces of the Paris Saint-Germain players in that tactical board. And I want to ask you, have you seen them before under even Thomas Tuchel, under Unai Emery, under Carlo Ancelotti, under Christophe Galtier, all of them, ever? Someone who said Paris Saint-Germain team, like players need to say that. Even including Lucas Hernandez at our bench.
So be eager. Say look. Saa game we ye mfimu da ese akwa anim.
May sure so be our joining us on Facebook or all share image media will tell you. You've not seen it before. Which Ubekaya, after the first leg, Luis Enrique can emphatic say for Paris Saint-Germain there is nothing to lose. It's over and further. Or the ball no one shall qualify. Odia will say atmosphere, Odia will say cup, Odia will say whatever. He says it's about pure football on the field of play. Now, they will get a result and they qualify. To be very honest, see me now, Luis Enrique.
Why you know I'm feedback, Binti?
Your feedback,
I think there's share way in the
Yeah, Gaka.
I want to problem. I'm said there's share. Button pocket. No, I'm baby for now. Feedback be a day ma so bad. Now, as if for air discussions, yeah, James review cracky. Na yaba share and the mammy too. I said yes, very clear, very clear.
Okay.
Say feedback enemy.
It's rich, Messi.
But before you proceed, no,
yeah,
the only attack us a football upset. Oh, because the game is
on paper, yes, because bookmakers know analysis was that Liverpool won the ball and to be very honest with you, which that's why it's a football fan shane boa. So we are analysts and so we Jumani say we analyzing more than just the fan. And he said we are too worried because as a football fan, Liverpool is the favorite of the day. I'm not be a favorite. Wako Paris Saint-Germain this season. Yes, Liverpool Boba on share that mobile baby batose. Or Mohamed Salah. Which before a match, Mohamed Salah goal contributions across all competitions. Many and didn't check it. Close to 50 thereabout. I thought Rafinha was close. Not Rafinha moving 8 cry. This is prolific, insane numbers. English Premier League you 27 or assist almost 17 or so. Rafinha doesn't get close. Into the day Liverpool a favorite. But it said who share ball at the Parc des Princes. And you've been watching Paris Saint-Germain since the turn of the year, last part of 2024. You wouldn't take, let's say, Omoko Anfono, more chance. I gave them a chance. In fact, in the first league, I believe that Paris Saint-Germain beat Liverpool at Parc des Princes. It didn't happen. This one again, in all the steps, it was a Paris Saint-Germain win. Because it's who Parc des Princes. I didn't believe that you ever game the Paris Saint-Germain will not get anything out of it. And can you upset and remember the counter is okay, fine, football has done its thing again. Because it's, to be very honest, Luis Enrique and Emrati look like players that they wanted to win. Game in started just like it started at the Parc des Princes. Liverpool press high, almost force Paris Saint-Germain to make mistakes. Then this chance for Mohamed Salah. Rich, for the very first time over the 2 legs. First time Mohamed Salah in a huge battle win 1v1 against Nuno Mendes. Oh, really bad of him. This chance fell for him. Nuno Mendes, oh boy, it will not even be on target. Right there again. Continuing from a Jumano Shassia in the first leg at Anfield. And getting the job done on the night at Anfield. Which, as the game went on, Liverpool for up forces almost pressure up from the corner of the field. Nuno Mendes, Kroya in build-up, receives the ball on the left foot him because Liverpool for now pressing into in Fiifi and that park in Fiifi will be any one. He took Ousmane Dembele to drop deep and come and receive the ball. Which Ousmane Dembele they receive the ball the pet and on the out wide. Echo a bench here friend badly back on. And again, it is about application of the principles from our branch friend Luis Enrique. Say he receive the ball now. You want a shot, man call long. You want to space mu. You want only said not our proper center forward in our branch friend Gonzalo Ramos, but he didn't use him. He wanted to use a lot of dynamism when he won, a lot of rotations in Bradley Barcola, Ousmane Dembele, and Ivica Kvaratskhelia, and that's exactly he did. Which, by the time I need Remu, was it in the 12th minute? Now Paris Saint-Germain were up by a goal to 0. And now I hear the exact opposite of what's happening in Paris. Because that time, now Liverpool na never ball. Liverpool na dominating ball no, by the 12th minute. In fact, Coutier and Slaughter. Also for 25 minutes, his team was the best, and it is true. And I Paris Saint-Germain for the year, I was asking myself, say, can Paris Saint-Germain hold on? Right, there comes this Portuguese master, brilliant player. It will be
Vitinha.
A branch friend of Vitinha. And then one say after the game, he played 2,000 plus passes, 200 plus passes. He moved less than 5, and no misplacing. Total controller. Which
diminutive, but so when the stage I know the general now.
I said we with him there, and the word that was about to come.
But the old Messi'S on the threat Pierre the young fa. You say,
who say Fabian Ruiz in a park. Fabian Ruiz is on the same field with Vitinha, but Vitinha they control ball on the BBA El Coso super player now. From right here, friend of Vitinha in the middle of the park for team, my friend of Paris Saint-Germain. And you give a lot of credit to Luis Enrique. And now, which meaning say, so William Pachu na open the chawa.
And rather, me am TV no me and I'm so Pachu we there. Me and I'm so nyade. But I said the branch and I improve
and now William Pachu was stopped.
And now William Pachu was stopped. Branch is he.
Everything and Luis Enrique,
top notch.
Luis Enrique, especially with dealing with Mohamed Salah, William Pachu held with it, and then now kind of realizes it's no fear can Ecuador. When Messi'S said very very good player, and Luis Enrique has gotten the job done for them. It was a good one over there. And like the game no Barca, any team a friend in Benfica, which so when we're talking about Paris Saint-Germain. Yes, we spoke about certain principles.
We saw nah, where in the sign because still I'm saying feedback no. A team for complaining say there's a feedback sound be.
Any be film is
a bit free the shit. Bottom na yena ti to say I said the Barca call my name to quarter final PSG call Inter and Soko and a Bayern Munich and Soko and another 4 now, yes, so I'm so much between a corner and a bachelor, of course, yeah, well, Atletico Madrid, alternatively, at Real Madrid, Shannon, so send the first leg, you know, Madrid actually 2-1. Engineer her, Omumi and Nhyira, a bit me a proceed. Of course, Aston Villa quite away to Air Club Bridge, Echo Shome coming, sir. I'm going to take Canada, home, our Villa Park, or Monsieur, you'll be to a call. It looks like Arsenal, dear. Nipadona, free some of this, see a young ball. Quarter final no crab at Omudi. You bet me don't make 4 na. Omudin kind and so I register Montigovi. Yana, young ram so na, young share the games, you know.
You better come on, Mark. Don't worry, I be just see ya come on. like I said, near Barcelona side, and again, I think there was a very, very good one from my friend Barcelona. And like I was saying, we were more principles me and so say team are wanting it more togetherness, hard work, and the same thing you saw with Barcelona. And against Benfica, Barca and Yen was a small team in or Kwakucha form, so they did their job against my friend Benfica, and by the end of the game, it was 3-1. Rich. Say you knew him say Lamine Yamal excellent footballer.
But also,
I didn't tell because of the consistency.
17 years.
You see, age, you know, any consistency, you know. The age of Lamine Yamal and how consistent he is. Because at 17, you're not expected to be this consistent. Go about your friend Lamine Yamal. He was super. And the Ballon d'Or conversation in there, I think they clear say Rafinha in a Dasro when they are talking about Ballon d'Or today in the world. I mean, yes, Mohamed Salah out of the competition. And Rafinha's numbers are right there. Maybe after him, maybe you talk about Ousmane Dembele more. But of course, you talk about it. Then, my man again, another diminutive player was the man of the match. I brought your friend Pedri Gonzalez. Rich, I know Madrid for only be sending me to you know what you're Pedri is too much. Pedri is an excellent player by all standard. And now, Barca were able to go through Bayern 2-0. Hey, we are buying Liverpool, and I'm buying a channel 2-0 there. Was taking the claim to everything Germany was Champions League game, and I think kudos to them. And now, to them, any bunch of friends I can't crown, no got a job done. So what it means is that one thing I clear, and it's a see my friend Inter Milan, and they buying Leverkusen. But Rich, I'm sad for Inter for coach. I'm sad for Simeone Inzaghi. Which Obama bought the next stage of the competition against Jamal Musiala, Harry Kane, and it's our players now. With this very old Inter side, for the very first time, I'm worried and not too happy for Abrante friend Simeone Inzaghi. But our match up by a very, very tasty par, a repeat of the 2010 final, which 20 games. And then Lille and Dortmund match goals will come. Until you check it out. And they 1-1. Upeso Kofi Kesima, you take into perspective you see in the first league, there will be more goals again. In fact, there is one of those pictures, Dortmund straight ahead to go and win over there. Aston Villa share at Club Brugge, they will win again LFA at Villa Park. Then Arsenal, like you said, already they are true. They will win with goals. What I don't know ahead this match.
The Madrid Derby. What a game.
And you know, Atletico de Madrid for fans now, Atiko for hotel anymore. I almost budget players. Trying to let them understand that they are with them. Wait, at the Civitas Wanda Metropolitano, a clear says Simeone Inzaghi Mujitum said they can get a job done there. You see, we've spoken so much about Carlo Ancelotti, and they didn't come on now. We say for Carlo Ancelotti, he allows the music that is the football to flow. Then football and Kasabe training their onye. Onye the kind of person who set out to make a say an eseko derby. Born or did to say born to chain a more natural. Allow the game to flow. Then in the course of the game flow, or to 1 month, okay, now the game needs this. No, the free bench about our best game then gets Madrid the win. And we said something in the first leg. Friday saying Santiago about what are the things that we were clear on. And he says, so watch the South Madrid team now. If they are playing against Atletico de Madrid, whoever has more of the ball is not happy. At home, Madrid were expected to have loads of the ball, and they did. In fact, Madrid ball against team and friend Atletico de Madrid. No, they had a lot of the ball in front of the compact Atletico 4-4-2 mid block. No, Madrid unforesee the issue to try and break lines. What they did, however, and he said, "Yenkita ball in front of the block. No, you rotate ball no block and then whilst we are there, no, we'll wait for the opening and then stretch Atletico de Madrid from the wide areas." And the big question is that who will control possession today? Who will control possession? Madrid and Atletico de Madrid.
Because you know, behind say,
Ompe.
Always depend on counter.
Yeah, because of the two teams. No, what will control? What problem, Kese? Because Munya
never boring game.
Not boring. A bit end to end.
As will be a bit tactical. Me koye bibi na consider go so as a mami na me chiri ha o de fa bra me ba na maji
but onusu oji a o de bebo wani so wa be se also ji abeba se ba be se be se basketball bi sa e be very transitional game end to end and you do the Civitas Wanda Metropolitano, which I think that the game was going to be interesting. My only worry with Atletico de Madrid is so far Madrid team is now the number of difference makers that they have. Over the weekend, Madrid the boy and against Rayo. Yes, Madrid are mobile, Papa. They were not the best team on the day. They didn't hold on to the ball. They didn't create the best chances. At the end of the day, two things: Kylian Mbappe, Vinicius Junior, difference makers. Yapon. And Madrid tend to have a lot of difference makers or partners. On a good day, in fact, on a Champions League night, after another Paris Saint-Germain, in my head, I know that Mbappe will return say he needs to do something tonight. And so give BB and Madrid Chromo to try and get it. So the game will hinge on who wants the ball in the middle of the park. In Fiifi, one of the person make it about the because if you are playing more of Rodrigo De Paul and letting you have the ball, how is he going to control possession for you? He doesn't want it. So for Madrid, you have Chimeni and the other players in there. Yes, these are more ball-sided players. But again, Madrid Peseporo with Carlo Ancelotti will not to force the issue and break the lines. But you rotate him or block him, then we'll stretch him, my friend, and let's go to Madrid from the wide areas. Which and I mean, what the about come say yes certain. And at the end, I mean say yes certain is a me anytime go score Julian Alvarez BM.
Oh, that's a good. I see.
Me anytime go score, I mean say Julian Alvarez BM. And me Sansuji Tum say both teams are likely to score.
Okay.
If both teams are likely to score, then I just say 1.5. They are very, very likely. Say BC, it's rich. That is what is most likely. Say BC and our the Civitas Wanda Metropolitano. And then say. Why are you so be coffee kesi mi?
Coffee se mi piawa.
Piawa rich.
I'm ready me piawa. I'm piawa talo word na. And one enya qualification no.
Maji.
Aye. Madrid do 2 and echo.
Oh, Madrid benya qualification.
Oh my God.
Okay. Enka it will be fufra. Like I would believe in their football acumen.
Okay.
But Diego Simeone to take too much. Say Babi Siso you Madrid Fima. Me one of the people who will be excited with him. But say and net people in the game that will play. I think Madrid will have the upper hand.
Okay.
So I mean fast now
quick na ayala.
And then main choose ka honor rich and then make show 3 codes pe send and dry you d 18 odds no and then say you fast now to me this car fix you mean na a betway code and then me dem first one here 18983011 18983011 next one here 189C8A6E next one here 189C8A6E and the last one here 189A2E8E on 189A2E8E. So when you're on all of Fiifi Manfred's social media handles, Facebook, Twitter, baby, you'll get it and then you can enjoy some coverage.
Okay, Fiifi Manfred, Minasipa, and then you may the live commentary every free